go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a tenderloin. It's a small one, and I decided to do something special with it. This is the only one I have. And what I have here is some lava salt. Lava salt, I ordered this from Iceland. Nice price, it's not expensive. And you can use any type of salt if you want to. You can use kosher salt, Himalayan salt. But I'm going to play the role of a flambe in fire. You know what I mean? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of that salt. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Pretty much using all the salt, so don't worry. I'm touching it because I'm going to use it. I'm not touching it from here. I will stay clean when you're dealing with meats. Be safe. And now what you're going to do, I got some peppercorn, which has match. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm going to put it here. And in one side, just one side of the meat, I'm going to apply the peppercorn. Just one side. You don't need both sides, only one side. Okay? See how it looks? How nice? This is very simple and flavorful. So, I have a cast iron, my preference. I'm going to have this preheating at medium high. Going to put a few drops of, I'm going with extra virgin olive oil. I'm going Portuguese today, Portuguese oil. Going to let it preheat for about a minute. And here comes the baby. First side's going to be the one with the salt without the peppers, okay? So you want that nice crust. You want that little nice crust on it. Let me get it closer. About a minute and a half, at the most 2 minutes due to the size. I'm going to flip it. See that nice crust? What I'm going to do is I'm going to add butter. Going to put some on the top. And I'm going to do some magic. I'm going to do some magic. And I'm going to do that by adding some cognac. Carefully. And I'm going to flambe this baby. Woo! Now that the alcohol went out, I'm going to add a little bit of onions on top. Got red onions for this one. You can use any type. Some smashed garlic. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to add some of that juice. Do that for about a minute. I'm going to eat this baby with some potatoes. They're in the oven right now. See how beautiful it looks? Isn't that perfect? Ain't that beautiful? And then you're going to put this baby to rest. Now, I have about a quarter cup of beef stock. Going to scrape this a little bit. 1/4 cup of red drinking wine. And I'm going to add these flavors of the meat, oil, everything. Mix here. This is a medium low. And you're going to get this gravy ready. And that's about 5-6 minutes while your tenderloin is resting, okay? If you want it to thicken a little, get some cornstarch if you want to. That's about a teaspoon maybe. And you can add it to this baby. About a teaspoon of a cornstarch. And that's going to thicken it a tiny bit, you know. And I did scrape some of the meat and stuff like that. And another thing, let me see something here with a spoon. See how nice it's looking?